fans ni Belle, puring-puri din si Tita Kat, may pinagmanahan daw si Belle. Ayon sa post ng netizen, "Ha? It's for me ba?" Yan ang sabi ni Tita Kat. May pinagmanahan talaga si Belle sa pagiging unassuming. Had the chance to talk with her while Belle was being interviewed. And she's so malumanay kahit yung ligalig ko, napakalma niya. She's also remembers yung gifts ng fans. Siya pa ang nagsabi.